Almighty, this is goodie. Thank you, Lady London.
What you
Sorry
getting
that in that
into?
area.
Looking beautiful as ever.
Thank you. So what?
Yeah, I've been on your live earlier this morning.
Is it?
Yeah.
So you tune in?
Yeah. Yeah, on the
What's your
32-year
name?
old, you've been on the 32-year-old.
Say it again.
I said I'm 32 and I'm 6'3".
Are you 32?
Yeah.
And you what?
6'3".
Six,
6'3".
6'3", so you're quite tall.
Yeah.
Dropped in. So you can lift me up.
But yeah, yeah, I'm strong, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, when you coming to England, have you ever been to England?
No, I ain't never been to England. That where you at in England?
Yeah, I'm in England, but I'm a Jamaican.
Oh, word. I want to come up
But I
there.
live in London.
Oh, word. I want to come up there. Come see you.
You should try come either to Jamaica or England
Yeah.
and meet the lovely queen.
Yeah.
Have you got kids?
No, I ain't got no kids.
Are you a single man?
Yeah, I'm a single man.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
A strong single man.
Yeah, I'm a single man.
What's your career?
You said what?
What's your career? What you do?
I mean, I work at a kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yeah, I work at a kitchen.
Okay, you cook.
Nah, I like help out to cook.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. I make good money now.
That's good.
I make good money. I can got
I
to
bet you're
spoil
a
you now.
very hard worker as well.
Yeah, I can spoil you now.
I'm here enjoying some food.
Yeah, I want you to follow me.
You want me to follow you?
Yeah, so I can see you.
Okay. I will follow you then. What's up? Now, it's okay. When I finish the live, I will follow you. Okay?
Oh, God. I got a question on you.
What's the question?
You said what?
You say you have a question for me, did you?
Nah, I ain't said I had a question for you just now. I ain't say that.
Oh, I thought that's what you said. Okay, my bad.
Nah, I said I got a question on you.
Oh, you have a crush.
Yeah.
You fancy me.
Yeah, you're a very sexy lady.
Oh, thank you. And I'm single, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I
but
want a
I'm
chance.
looking at husband. My shut up, coming out looking my shut up.
Yeah, I want a chance.
I'm single, but I want to find a nice man that I'm attracted to and a man that conquer me. Because
True.
it's all good
True.
for a man to say that they fancy me or they got a crush on me, but it have to work both ways.
Oh, I can make moves now.
You can do what?
So I can make moves.
What move can you make?
See, I can come to you and make quality time and whatnot.
Oh, say it slow. I didn't hear you.
So I can make quality time and whatnot.
Quality time and whatnot.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
So, you need a country dude in your life.
That's
Like
interesting.
Atlanta.
Hello, Riot Crazies. What you lot saying? What
You
your
said
name
what?
again, madam? What's your name?
My name is John.
John.
Yeah.
JJ, I'm Johnny, so you're John.
Oh, you say you gonna call me JJ?
Joy.
Yeah, you call me John, baby.
Riot Crazies, one over here, sir.
You can call me Daddy if you want to.
No, I don't like that daddy idea. No, I wouldn't. I'll find you a nice name, and I would give you a dicker name as well.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
my name's
Mash, shut up!
Yeah, fuck.
Pardon?
Give me that cat jumper.
Mash, look, baby. Look, move this.
Yeah, I don't know.
I am doing something, Mash. Why you want to do that now?
Yeah, but I'm an Indian.
But may I
have to
eat?
do
And you
right
hear
now.
me talk. Why you want to do that?
Yeah, I'm a fucking
Help
Indian.
yourself, darling. You're not a stranger.
I know I'm not saying that, but I don't want to be like.
Stop interrupt me.
these
When
people
some
are
do, I'm have a crush on me. Stop interrupt my crush, John.
It's me. I look good. I'm a nice, pretty Indian.
Me not busy if you look
I
good,
mean, how
Mash.
good I look.
So if you look good, what does that have to do with me?
what you eating?
Um,
Turkey legs?
roast chicken.
Uh,
Roast chicken and chips and some stupid rice.
oh, right.
Some stupid yellow rice.
Definitely
Well,
need
that's what's up.
something.
Mash, sorry, make me look.
Yeah, because I would.
So I got tattoos too. I see you got a lot of tattoos.
Yeah.
I got
Have you
tattoos
got
too.
sleeves? Oh, wicked.
I got tattoos too.
Where's your tattoo?
Yeah.
Nice. Wicked
Uh,
image.
you said
So
what?
how we gonna do this thing?
Get this
You're in
number.
where are you again?
I'm in South Carolina.
South Carolina.
I'm a country dude.
I can't come to America. Not yet.
Yeah, you can come to America.
I will be there, but not yet. I'm working on it.
You're fucker, you know.
I can't go to America for two.
I know,
Sure.
but it's just the way you said it.
Mega rich.
I like your accent. I ain't gonna lie. I love your accent.
Yeah, my accent. A Jamaica accent I have. With a little British now and then. But I still have my raw Jamaican accent, I think.
Yeah, that's a sexy accent.
You love my sexiness, ooh, baby.
Yeah, you
Oh,
very
John,
sexy.
you wanna join me? Ooh.
Very sexy.
But that, John, you're distance away, baby.
You said what?
You're distance away. You need to come to the UK and find me.
Oh, I come on, make a trip.
Mm. You say you make good money.
Yeah, I'll make a trip to come see you.
You got no kids.
I ain't got no kids.
You can take time out of job.
Yeah, I can
Get a
take
vacation.
time off.
Come and meet the queen. You never know. You be my king.
Yeah, I'm trying to be your king.
We just never know.
You can call
You
me
might
King
march
John.
me and take me to South Carolina.
You can call me King John, baby.
I know my cousin that.
That's me. Nice. Everyone should know me.
Sorry, my bad.
So you just do music, right?
Pardon?
I say you do music, right?
Yeah. You can go on my YouTube channel, my Viva.
Oh,
Queen Lady
right.
Gangster. You see all my songs. I've got 2 hit songs. Many big songs. I've got over 30 odd release songs. I've been in the music business 5 years now, so I'm doing well. A lot of exposure, whole heap of shows, you know. I'm trying to keep my career live, keep it alive. So for this summer, I want to put out an EP with 6 songs.
Oh, right. That's what's up.
And then I have 2 singles. So, whole heap of greatness in the future for me. I'm working towards to get a Grammy somewhere when I'm 60, I'm 55 now. So that's how much older than me, how me is. I'm 55, soon 56. And Yeah, 32. Take away 32 from 55. Leave how much?
So how many years? Age ain't nothing but a number.
You see the age gap, but it doesn't matter. Age is it's an
Yeah, that ain't
honor,
nothing
and
but a number. This how you
at the
carry yourself
same time,
as an
age is
individual.
just a number.
This how you carry
If
yourself
you're a
as an individual.
responsible person, you're respectable, and
Yeah,
you're willing to be in harmony with someone,
yeah. I know
try
how to
life.
carry myself in a respectable manner.
Say that again.
I said I know how to carry myself in a respectable manner.
When I lie down crying and just jump on you, so ooh, that's so cuddly. Oh my God, I'll let me rub my face back. So ooh, John. I went back and I said, John. John, come and join me. Mm-hmm. You should check out my music.
You said what?
You should check out my music on my Viva channel.
Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna check it out. I had check out some of it though. I check out some of it. You know, I like your music.
Mm-hmm.
Got a lot of music you could dance to.
What you can nice. I'm not hearing a kaya talk too low.
I said you got a lot of music you can dance to.
Yes, and I love to dance, you know. I'm
You
very
can dance.
energetic. I'm hyperactive.
Hey,
I'm full of
turn on the song.
confidence. I'm full of life.
Turn on
Good
the song.
vibes, you know. I'm crazy. I'm excited. I'm a nice girl.
Yeah. You see how tall I am?
I give people life and hope, you know, to make them know it's all right to be yourself.
Yeah.
A lot of people afraid to be themselves, and them body shame themselves because them not accept them body for who them body is or whatever them have with their body. You know?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But you should check out the UK, or if you want to come to Jamaica, we can link up. Have you ever
Yeah, we
been
can link
Jamaica?
up.
Sorry. Phew.
Yeah. You show me the rosters and whatnot.
Sorry, that fatty lad. Me eat piece of fat.
You heard what I say?
Sorry.
You show me the rosters.
Yeah, take it to the favorite spot. Dunsriver Falls, St. Thomas, my parish. You know, Portland, Ocho Montego Bay, Negril. And it goes on and on. Portmore for sure. Carry on a back road with the girl himself, pussy.
My end that.
Beer sexy girl on a back road. Big up all that girl on a back road also with them pussy. Everybody also different, you know what?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, you good?
Sorry.
That shit good.
Lord, fat. I'm gonna let them look fatty something, you know.
Hey, turn on. I want you to turn on the song.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I want you
I'm
to turn on
sure
the
you
song.
want to jump or something.
Mash you ready now? Where you say
Yeah.
you want me to play my song?
Yeah, I want you to play a song. I want to see you dance.
What may I eat?
I mean, after you eat.
Okay. Mm-mm. So you never see me dance yet? Hmm?
With your pretty face.
Thank you. You never see me dance yet?
Nah, I ain't never seen you dance yet.
Is it? So
I
for
want
when
to
you
see you.
watch me?
I want to see you dance. Now, I mean, you got a nice body, but I want to see you dance.
So how long you been watching me?
I mean, a little while, not that long.
Oh, not that long.
Yeah.
I'm a crazy motherfucker, you know. I am, you know.
All
I like to
right.
be my true organic self. A lot of
Oh, you
people
crazy?
like they think they can get me. Getting me is one, but keeping me is another. You understand?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
I've got an irate spirit. I'm a very loving and nice, very determined. and I believe in what I believe in.
True.
Yeah, so I will fight to the last for what I believe and don't care what the world will say. So you need to check me out.
All
Me
right.
no normal, me crazy, I'm my bum, but me crazy. I am. I have some crazy YouTube videos throughout my time.
Crazy and sexy as fuck.
Natural. So around couple months you been viewing me.
You said what?
You've been viewing me for around couple months now.
Yeah, I've been watching your lives and whatnot.
For how long you think?
Yeah, probably about 4 months.
I gathered. Mm.
Uh,
View my page and you see me dancing in two-piece, sexy, shaking my arms, shaking my
man, you ain't got
breath.
to do all that. Man, you just dance.
You have to
Dance
view
regularly. You ain't
my
got to do all that.
Instagram and you see all of the sexy video them.
Oh,
Like
you
how you
got
tell me
down.
for dance now, you put me on the spot.
You ain't got to dance like that if you don't want to. You can dance any way you want to, baby.
Say it again.
I said you ain't got to dance like that. You can dance into any way you want to, baby.
I know, but I'm just saying, I don't want to dance now, okay?
Yeah, that's what you ain't got to.
I don't want to dance now. My guts is full. And the fact that you put me on the spot, you know, I like to
Yeah.
do, just do things spontaneously. I'll put on my lingerie, maybe put on my shorts and my crop top and give you a dance. But the fact that you said it, like yeah. If you gonna put on my food now and go prepare for dance, it's like, you get
I
me?
mean, you ain't got to do all
It's
that,
all
baby.
right, man. I like your accent, man. It's different, man. South Carolina in the building. Sorry. I cocky boy them in Carolina. Okay, that is it. May I recycle my bone them now. Mm-hmm.
Nah, you better fuck that play it up.
Master, you going home?
Mm,
You don't even know where you want to go.
I know.
So why you leaving me, though, fam? So soon. Our time now.
Cause you know, man, on the phone.
Because I have man on the phone. Go ahead. My son. You did that left before the man come on the phone, man. That's no excuse.
I know, but don't you in there anyway.
I know.
Where's tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have to link up with them Indians tomorrow.
We're not link them now. What time is it now?
No, but tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, them Indians fucked up with them.
1 minute. 1 minute, John.
All right.
Yeah, but Jay, I could deal with one Indians not knowing the thing is gonna go down sideways with us.
Yeah, John. My day now, John. What you say I go out with you
Hey,
now?
let me get jumper, Jay.
Oh,
Before you make yourself too comfortable, my God, you look too good anyway. Don't let the people them trick you and all that, Jay.
Mash, what trick me?
No, I
John,
said,
my friend said no
What's
I
up?
have to trick me.
yeah.
You hear that, John? John, that's
What's
my
up, baby?
bestie there.
Oh, what's going on?
You wanna?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, my
John is my best friend, yeah.
What?
Yeah,